Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how to make this nice, good breakfast pizza. Very easy to do. Follow along with me and you. Okay, we're going to take a can of biscuits, grams biscuits, and I just form it into a big ball like this. Okay, we're going to a little bit of flour on the surface. Not too much. Okay, now we're going to need 5 cups or 5 eggs. That's 4. And this makes 1 more. Drop an eggshell on that thing, so I had to be careful not to get in this. Okay. Put in the egg. Kind of. And you want to put in a little bit of Dorito chips. Kind of mix them through. Okay, that's just about done right there. Okay, now we're gonna put on some cheese on the bottom layer. Okay, next we're gonna put in our cheese. With a little bit of tortilla shells. We're going to put on some cheddar cheese, melted. Okay, I want to grate in some Parmesan cheese right here. Then we're going to pop this into the oven for 350 Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes or until it's done. Take a look at that nice looking pizza. It's done now. Let's just cut a few slices open here. Alright, look at that. That is some good, nice, good breakfast pizza. Cheese, mushrooms, mozzarella cheese. Well, not mozzarella cheese, but look at that. That is so good. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell if you enjoy my videos, and I'll see y'all next time.